Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to withdraw money or cash out from Z-League. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up Z-League, and from here we need to make sure to log in and click onto our profile top right hand corner of the page here. Then from here you'll be able to see your wallet and your total balance. Then from here, if you haven't claimed your account, you need to do that. So go ahead and click on claim account and then put in your email address and choose a strong password, then click continue. So I'll quickly fill this out. Yep, so hit continue. All right, so once you've done that, and then you want to click on transactions. And then once you clicked on transactions, you've got a tab at the top here. So change that. So under transactions, go ahead and click on cash outs. And then click apply filters. Then it'll say nothing to see here. And now if it says nothing to see here, it's because you haven't reached it's because you have insufficient funds. So make sure you got enough funds or winnings available in your account to withdraw. If your balance is too low or hasn't met the minimum withdrawal requirement, you may not be able to cash out. So just keep playing and build up your cash inside Z League. Also, Z League may require you to complete identity verification before allowing withdrawal. So check if you have any pending verification steps that need to be completed. But if you think you have got enough money in your account and you've done the account verification process and it still says nothing to see, just go ahead and submit a ticket to Z League support team and let them know that it's grayed out, it says nothing to see here, and you'd like to cash out your money, and they'll will help you in doing so.